Assalamu alaikum students. I hope you will be fine. In today's video, we will discuss the exercise of unit number 3, media and its impact of class 9th. First of all, I'll tell you the glossary. Here are some difficult words. You have to write the meanings of these words. I have already written the meanings of these difficult words for your comfort. Now let's begin with the very first word. Impact, तासुर, इफ़ेक्ट, असर, ईगर, शौकीन, कीन डिज़ायर, गहरी ख्वाहिश, गियर्ड अप, अच्छी तरह तैयार, रेडी, तैयार, इंटेग्रल, बुनियादी, इसेंशियल, अहम या ज़रूरी, एंटरटेन, तफरीह मुहैया करना, अम्यूज़, जी बहलाना. Now move to next question. Now look at comprehension on page number 25. Summarize the major points of the unit in the given mind map. दर्ज झैल ज़हनी खाके की मदद से सबक का खुलासा बयान करें. The role of media and its impact. The first point is powerful device of communication, means media is a powerful device of communication. The second one is media is a source of information. The third one is media entertains people. The fourth one is media is a mouthpiece of downtrodden. The next is media shares opinions and feelings. The last one is media raises awareness about social issues. These are some important and major points of the unit. Now students, move to next question. Answer the following questions. दर्ज झैल सवालात के जवाब दें. I have already told you the answers of these short questions. Now move to next question. Explain the following phrases as used in the text. मतन में इस्तेमाल होने वाली मदरजा झैल अबारात की वजाहत करें. गियर्ड अप, अच्छी तरह तैयार, ग्लोबल विलेज, दुनिया एक बड़ा गांव, अ क्लिक अवे, थोड़े फासले पर, कंस्ट्रक्टिव रोल, तामीरी किरदार, राइज अवेयरनेस, आगाही पैदा करना, टू कीप एन आई, नज़र रखना, अ माउथ पीस ऑफ द डाउनट्रॉडन, मज़लूम अफराद का तर्जमान या सितम रसीदा अफराद का नकीब, साथी. स्टूडेंट्स, द फर्स्ट वर्ड इज़ गियर्ड अप. उर्दू मीनिंग अच्छी तरह तैयार एंड इंग्लिश मीनिंग completely ready. The second one is global village. दुनिया एक बड़ा गांव या आफाकी गांव. Its English meaning is world has become a single community due to media. The next one is a click away, थोड़े फासले पर. English meaning is at a short distance. Now move to next. Constructive role, तामीरी किरदार, बेनिफिशियल रोल. रेज अवेयरनेस, आगाही पैदा करना. इट्स इंग्लिश मीनिंग इज टू गिव नॉलेज अबाउट समथिंग. द सिक्स वन इज टू कीप एन आई. उर्दू मीनिंग इज नज़र रखना एंड इंग्लिश मीनिंग इज वॉच समथिंग मिनटली. अ माउथ पीस ऑफ डाउनट्रोडन, मज़लूम अफराद का तर्जुमान, वॉइस ऑफ द नीडी एंड ऑप्रेस्ड. नाउ स्टूडेंट्स, मूव टू नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. पुट दीज वर्ड्स इन रेलिवेंट कॉलम्स टू आइडेंटिफाई द पार्ट ऑफ स्पीच दीज वर्ड्स बिलोंग टू. इन अल्फाज को मुतअल्लिका कॉलम में दर्ज करें और निशानदही करें कि वो किस अज्ज़ाए कलाम से ताल्लुक़ रखते हैं. स्टूडेंट्स, द फर्स्ट वर्ड इज़ मीडिया. मीडिया इज़ अ नाउन. The second word is audience. So audience is a noun. The third word is means. Means is also a noun. The fourth one is eagerly. Eagerly is adverb. Eagerly is adverb. The fourth one is global. Global is adjective. The next one is corrective. Corrective is also adjective. The next one is communication. Communication is noun. The next one is information. The word information is also a noun. The next one is impact. The word impact is also a noun. The next one is constructive. Constructive is adjective. The next one is false. False is also an adjective. The last word is loudly. Loudly is an adverb. Now move to next question. Change the following words into nouns. दर्ज झैल अल्फाज को nouns में तब्दील करें. Fill in the blanks with nouns. Save, excited, devastating, active, helpless, hopeless, able, and justify. The first sentence is doctors are concerned with safety of the patients. डॉक्टर मरीज़ों के तहफ़्फ़ुज़ के बारे में फ़िक्रमंद होते हैं. द नेक्स्ट इज़ इन अ स्टेट ऑफ एक्साइटमेंट शी क्राइड लाउडली. हिजान की हालत में वो ज़ोर ज़ोर से चिल्लाने लगी. नाउन इज़ एक्साइटमेंट. द नेक्स्ट वन इज़ फ्लड्स ऑफन कॉज large scale devastation. Here the noun is devastation. सैलाब अक्सर वसी पैमाने पर तबाही फैलाते हैं. The fourth one is positive activity will keep you healthy. मुस्बत तर्ज़ अमल आपको सेहतमंद रखेगा. Here the noun is activity. The next one is her helplessness was quite obvious. उसकी बेबसी बिल्कुल आया थी, बिल्कुल ज़ाहिर थी. Here the noun is helplessness. The next one is she was in a state of hopelessness. वो मायूसी के आलम में थी. Here the noun is hopelessness. The next one is she has the ability required for the job. वो उस काम के लिए दरकार काबिलियत रखती है. Here the noun is ability, काबिलियत. Have you any justification of this act? क्या इस काम के लिए आपके पास कोई जवाज़ है? Here the noun is justification. Now move to next page. The next question is identify personal, possessive, reflexive and indefinite pronouns. The first sentence is this is my book. ये मेरी किताब है. Here the word my, it's a possessive pronoun. The next one is Salman is absent because he is ill. The word he is personal pronoun. सलमान गैर हाजिर है क्योंकि वो बीमार है. The next one is you will hurt yourself. आप खुद को ज़ख्मी कर लेंगे. You and yourself. Students, you is a personal pronoun and yourself is reflexive pronoun. The next one is nobody was there to rescue the child. बच्चे को बचाने के लिए वहाँ कोई नहीं था. Students, the word nobody is indefinite pronoun. Now move to next question. Identify pronoun errors and rewrite the following sentences correctly. इसमें ज़मीर की अगलात की निशानदही करें और दर्ज झैल जुमले दुरुस्त करके तहरीर करें. Students, I have already written here for your comfort. Media plays a very constructive role for the society. Here a mistake. It raises awareness about many social issues like corruption, terrorism, drug addiction, and violation of human rights. The next sentence is here a mistake. I would conclude the discussion by saying that media plays a positive role and has a corrective impact if it works honestly. The next third one is good, very well concluded. I'm happy that all of you have participated in this discussion and have expressed yourselves very well. These are some mistakes I have already written here for your comfort. Now move to next question. Complete the sentences choosing the right options. Media dash a very constructive role for the society. Media plays a very constructive role for the society. The next is media also become a mouthpiece of the downtrodden. Media has also become a mouthpiece of downtrodden. Now move to next page. I'm happy that all of you have expressed yourselves very well. All of you have expressed. The next is their feelings and opinions are expressed through it. The last is film, radio, television, the internet, books, magazines, and newspapers provide us information as well as entertainment. Now move to next question. Change the voice. Ali eats an apple. An apple is eaten by Ali. The first is media helps people to share knowledge. मीडिया इल्म हासिल करने में लोगों की मदद करता है. Its passive voice is people are helped to share knowledge by media. इल्म के हसूल में मीडिया से लोगों की मदद होती है. The second is their feelings and opinions are expressed through it. उनके एहसासात और आराह का इससे इजहार होता है. Its passive voice is it expresses their feelings and opinions through it. The next is media attracts the attention of a very large audience. मीडिया बहुत ज़्यादा तादाद में सामईन को मुतवज्जे करता है. The attention of a very large audience is attracted by media. सामईन की बहुत ज़्यादा तादाद मीडिया की तरफ मुतवज्जे होती है. The fourth one is after entering the house we switch on the television. घर दाखिल होते ही हम टेलीविज़न ऑन करते हैं. The television is switched on by us after entering the house. घर दाखिल होते ही हमसे टेलीविज़न ऑन हो जाता है। द फिफ्थ वन इज़ इट नॉट ओनली इन्फॉर्म्स अस बट आल्सो एंटरटेन्स अस। ये ना सिर्फ हमें मालूमात फ़राहम करता है बल्कि तफरीह भी मुहैया करता है। वी आर नॉट ओनली इन्फॉर्म्ड बट आल्सो एंटरटेन्ड बाय इट। हमें ना सिर्फ इससे इत्तला मिलती है बल्कि तफरीह भी मिलती है। The next question is change the paragraph into past indefinite tense. Media helps people to share knowledge of the world. Here a mistake. Media helped, not helps, helped people to share knowledge of the world. The next sentence is their feelings and opinions are expressed through it. Their feelings and opinions were. Here a mistake. Opinions were expressed through it. The next sentence is media attracts the attention of a very large audience. Students, here a mistake. Not attracts, attracted. Media attracted the attention of a very large audience. The next sentence is have you noticed that the first thing we do soon after entering the house is to switch on the television? Have you noticed that the first thing we do soon after entering the house was, not is, was to switch on the television. Now move to next question. Punctuate the following. There are two means of communication. Here a mistake. There, T is capital. There are two means of communication: electronic media and print media. Here you will write comma, communication, electronic media and print media. Then you will put here dot. The next is sentences. The media includes film, radio. Then you will write comma. Here you will also write comma, television. Then you will write comma, internet. Then put here comma, books, comma, magazines and newspapers. Then you will write here full stop. Here a mistake. It, you will write here capital I. It provides us information as well as entertainment. Then you will write dot here. Now I hope students the exercise of unit number 3 media and its impact of class 9th is cleared, and if there is any confusion in your mind then you can ask in comment section. And if you like my video then subscribe my YouTube channel Malik Science Academy and press the bell icon for notifications. We will meet in next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz.